Introduction. Hey, Connect to World Pals. Today, let's explore the term helpless. It's not just about vulnerability. There's more to this word. Let's navigate through the complexities. Meaning. So, helpless describes a state of being unable to help oneself, often in the face of difficulty or danger. It's a feeling of vulnerability and dependence on others for support. Usage. Imagine feeling helpless in a challenging situation or witnessing someone else in a moment of vulnerability. Examples. Think of a child feeling helpless without adult guidance, or a person facing a natural disaster and realizing their helpless position. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's ́hɛlplɪs, ́hɛlplɪs. A word that carries a weight of emotion, right? Different uses. Ever heard of learned helplessness? It's a psychological concept where an individual believes they have no control over their situation, even when they do. Conclusion. If the concept of helpless touches your emotions, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more empathetic word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.